Hello and welcome to the following section of the Advertiser Training Seminar, where we'll explore and explain how to use the Awin interface. The interface will enable you to maintain your program. This section will cover linking tools you can supply for publishers to promote your site, including banners, trackable links to your site, and data feeds. Firstly, we're going to look at Link Builder. This tool allows you as an advertiser to create publisher tracking links, which can then be communicated to publishers within newsletters and the hub. We recommend supplying tracking links to the publishers when you wish them to promote a particular page on your site beyond the home page. You can locate the link builder within your account under the Toolbox tab. Simply enter the link of the site you wish to track, and you will see the tracking link below. The exclamation mark, exclamation mark, exclamation mark ID, exclamation mark, exclamation mark, exclamation mark represents where a publisher ID needs to be added. This will auto-populate the publisher IDs once you send the communication via News Manager. If not sending it via News Manager, please remind them to input their unique publisher ID or input it them for them. My Creative is the area of the interface where you can manage the imagery, forms and widgets you make available to publishers. You can add banners of various dimensions, and we strongly recommend you create at least one for each of the most common dimensions. Tips: you can choose specific landing pages for your creatives. So if the creative is about a Christmas sale, you should link the creative to a Christmas sale landing page to improve conversion. Add the banners that promote your latest products or offers, and constantly update or refresh your banners with new imagery where applicable. In the My Offers section of the interface, you have the option to add either a promotion or a coupon. This helps attribute promotions or coupons to specific publishers. An example of a promotion would be something like 20% off kidswear, and a coupon would be a specific discount code. My Product Feeds. To help manage your product feeds, go to the Toolbox tab of the navigation bar and click on My Products Feeds. This is where you'll be able to upload your product feeds. We have several resources available to explain how to best do this and can provide this after the training for your reference. A product feed provides publishers with the product information they need to promote you. A feed tells a publisher about types of products you sell, how much they cost, what colour they are, and various other specs that are relevant to the business. The more information you can share about the products you sell, the easier and quicker it will be for publishers to find or display your products, which they require on their website to be able to promote your brand. Feeds also allow publishers to quickly find and display links without having to manually create their own deep links each time. Building a product feed. In order to provide a consistent data set for publishers to use on their site, your product feed will need to follow a set of criteria so the data can be accurately pulled by the publisher. Awin has a range of resources available which will explain in greater detail how to ensure your product feeds are accurate, and we can share these on request. Once you have adhered to the criteria, you will be able to upload your product feed in this page. Please select Add New Feed, where you'll be prompted to add in the feed details, including feed name, language, file upload method, format and type, the email of the person who will receive error reports if any occur, the vertical the products of the feed relate to, and the frequency and time of feed processing. If any errors have occurred in your feed upload, you'll be notified of this. If no errors occur, you can upload a CSV or TSV file. You will then be asked to match the files column to ensure that the information you have provided is in the right place and able to be detected by our system. This is called column mapping and has to be for each feed you upload. Once you've added your feed, you will be able to make changes by clicking on the pencil icon and applying these changes. You will need to remap the columns to ensure all information is in the correct column if you do not use the Awin category mapping tree. Once your feed is processed, you may then need to map your feed categories to the Awin category tree, which you will see on the left-hand corner. Our system will attempt to automatically map your categories to your own, but due to the number of different category structures, this is not always possible. Any unmapped categories will be shown in red, and clicking Map Categories will take you to the main category mapping page. The default screen will show any unmapped categories, with the feed categories on the left. Clicking on Preview will show a few product names and descriptions in case the category name didn't indicate what the related products are, i.e. numerical codes. Click Map It will open a prompt with suggested shop window categories, as well as allowing you to search if the suggested options are not accurate. Clicking Save will apply the mapping and take you back to the screen showing the remaining categories to be mapped. To view existing mappings, change the Filter By option to Mapped. Existing mappings can be also removed in order to remap them. Please note that while column mapping is separate for each feed, category mapping applies across all of the feeds on your program. The Email Campaign Approval tool enables you to review email campaigns that mention your brand before they are sent by your publishers. Once a publisher submits their mailing for your approval, you can approve, request changes, or reject the email campaign. You'll be notified via email whenever there is a new email campaign that is waiting for your approval. The Email Campaign Approvals page also lists all existing email campaign approval requests sent through to you by your publishers. You can sort them by last updated or scheduled send date and apply any filters you wish to manage the list. News Manager is used to send out individual emails to publishers relevant to your program, whether they are approved, rejected, or suspended. This is particularly useful when sending out specific offers and promotions, as well as updates to the program, such as commission manager changes or updates to terms and conditions. We have several resources available to explain how to best do this and can provide this after the training for your reference. If you have HTML code, press the source button, paste in the HTML code and press source again. The text will then appear. You can either paste text directly into this box or you can start typing. The Hub is the ideal place to display your incentive to publishers, whether you wish to promote a consumer competition, a commission increase, or voucher or discount code. The Hub will help you draw attention to your program. It is only for managed advertisers and for publishers joined to the Awin network. The Hub is based on a WordPress template, so you'll need to register a username and password before you can log into the Hub admin area. After you have posted your program launch announcement, you will need to contact our UK marketing team with a link to your post. We can then give you full rights to post in all categories and add your logo to the homepage of the Hub. If you have any questions on these linking tools, please reach out to your Awin point of contact.